Today we will discuss a problem, break a number. Given a really large number n, a large number n is given, break it into three whole number. So we need to break n into three parts, and the parts are whole numbers. Whole numbers are just the natural number with starting with 0, such that they can sum up to the original numbers, so that the total sum of all the three numbers is equal to n. And find the number of way to do. We need to print the total number of ways we can break this n into three whole numbers, since the answer may be large return in mode. Okay, so let's discuss the problem. So we need to make three number, let's say ABC, whose sum equal to n. So the brute force approach comes in mind that we simply run a 3 for loop. First for loop for the number a, and second for loop for the number b, and third for loop for the number c, and just check if the a plus b plus c equal to n. Then we need to simply answer plus plus, and after that return the answer. But if we talk about the time complexity of the problem, this for loop contain order of n, this for loop for order of n, and the last one also order of n. So let's okay. So the time complexity overall is n key cube, n to the power 3. Let's check the constraint. So it's a 10 to the power 9. So if we put 10 to the power 9 in our time complexity, the overall time complexity is 10 to the power 27, which is very much greater than 10 to the power 8. So we cannot give this solution because it will give you TLE. I have explained what is the 10 to the power logic behind 10 to the power 8. So we need to optimize this problem. You can check out the video of 10 to the power 8. Now we need to see that it's 10 to the power 9. So we for 10 to the power 9, what are the possible time complexity for the coding? So I have discussed on that video that if whenever it is comes to be n greater than 10 to the power 8, we need to use the log n time complexity, root n, or we can say order of 1 time complexity. We cannot solve in order of n time complexity also, because in one operation we need to solve 10 to the power 8 in 1 second. So if we talk about order of n, it's taking 10 to the power 9, which is quite greater than 10 to the power 8. This is also give TLE. So we need to solve in these time complexity. And here also it is given that order of 1 time complexity we can use. So let's discuss the optimal solution for this problem. So it is quite easy problem. If we observe the given example test case, we observe the given example test case also. That's why I copy here. You can analyze basic on this example. See, when n equal to 2, we have the whole numbers 0, 1 and 2. So if we fix first number to the 0, and then we check the total combination where the first digit is 0. So if we see the example carefully, 1, 2 and 3. 3 are the possible way where the first digit is 0. So total number of ways is 3. Let's talk about when we fix 1 to the first position. Total number of ways 1 and 2, that is 2. If we fix 2 to the first position, then the total number of combination is only 1. So this is the pattern. If you observe that initially answer is number of ways 3, then 2, then 1. So for n equal to 2, answer is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, let's discuss with the n equal to 3. So possible whole numbers n equal to 3 is 0, 1, 2 and 3. So let's observe similarly. If we fix 0 to the first position, how many ways are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4. If we fix 1 to the first value and remaining 2 are others, so how many ways? 1, 2 and 3. You can see there 3 possible way. If we fix 2, that is next whole number. The total numbers way only 2. Okay, this is 3. Let me write it 3. And last one, that is 3. Last whole number is 3. If we fix 3, there is only one combination, that is 1. So here also we can see that answer is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So carefully observe the pattern. When n is 2, the answer comes to be sum of natural numbers of n plus 1. N plus 1 is what? 2 plus 1, 3. So sum of the natural numbers up to 3 is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Here also n equal to 3. So we need to calculate only sum of n plus 1 numbers. N plus 1 number here is n 3. So n plus 1 is 4. So we can check there 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is 4. So we can say that our answer comes to be if n, then our answer is sum of first n plus 1 natural number. So for n natural number, our equation, our formula for the sum calculation is n plus 1 by 2. So in place of n, here we have to replace with n plus 1. So because we need to calculate n plus 1 sum, so replace with n plus 1, n plus 1, that is n plus 1 plus 1 by 2. So the final equation that comes for this problem is n plus 1, n plus 2 by 2. So this is the answers. We need to just return this part. And if we talk about the time complexity, it's take only order of one time complexity. And here we cannot use any extra space also. So order of one time complexity and space complexity also order of one. So let's code this problem. So first of all, take long mod 10 की power 9 plus 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 7. So calculate int answer equal to n plus 1 multiply, okay, multiply n plus 2 whole divide by 2. So by 2. Now we need to place the mod value. Here if you see the problem, n is also very large, range of 10 की power 9. So it may be possible that n plus 1 also become a large number. So we need to place mod here, mod, and this portion also, and at last if we product the two numbers, one is in integer value and another is an integer value, it may be possible product of those two numbers increases to become a larger integer value, that is very large. So we need to replace, or we can say add mod in the last equation also before dividing. So another mod is there. So back. So this is the final. So this is the final code. Now we just need to return answer. So just return the answer. Just okay. N is not declared. It's capital. Let make it small. Yeah, correct. Let's submit. So correct. So if you think this video help you, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. And it may be possible that I will make the video on mod also, where we need to put mod and where not, and what are the significance of this number, that is 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Why only this number is chosen whenever we have a large numbers answer. So we will discuss these things on that video. Just stay connected, and thank you this video.